out soon.
Gift basket.
He's not cold anymore.
Guys,
Are you ready?
what respect.
We're ready. Bring it.
Apparently, I was in Japan during all the years. Of
Oh my
France,
God, just
but
play the song.
apparently this is like a popular song, and it goes something like, "Smelly cat, smelly cat, what are they feeding you? Smelly cat, smelly cat.
Oh, you said cat.
It's not your fault.
Why is it their fault?
Smelly cat, what are they feeding you? Smelly cat, smelly cat,
Smelly cat.
your fault.
It's not?
Okay, that's all.
Why?
Well,
Why is it their fault?
It's just not. I miss Friends. It was the
No.
90s.
That song drove me nuts.
well, let's applaud and maybe she'll not play another song.
Oh, wasn't that bad?
No, it's fuck with your
I
front
know,
corner.
I know, Rambling Man.
You can't have soft skin.